It's a vibe all the time.
I do whatever I want. I'm counting up money for fun.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jayla, and come spend the weekend with me because I have so many things planned. And I just want to take you guys with me because I don't really feel like doing a weekly vlog, but we can do a weekend vlog, okay? I'm sorry if it's real bright. I just did my lashes myself, so I just did that, and I'm about to get me and the kids ready because we have pictures. They're like family pictures, but they're more for the kids. So I'm so out of breath. Done my background. We're gonna go do that, and then I'm going to tour the Parade of Homes or whatever again this weekend, and we're gonna go to like Pittsburgh, Durham, back to Raleigh or whatever. So we're gonna do that, and I want to take you guys with me. I really don't have any plans for tomorrow, but we're gonna get into something, maybe some errands or something. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because we love it here, and I want you to love it here as well. So let's go. Whoa. Say so pretty.
Go daddy.
Go show daddy, go show daddy. Come here, sugar. Come here, sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah. Did you button the top for Augie's?
No, it's open. The very top is open.
Okay. Here, booby. Come here. Here. Hold on, booby. Look at how cute this little polo sweater is. Oh my goodness. I know. I know. Here, wait. Stand up. Look at this beautiful boy. Let's go. All right, y'all, we are headed off to go take pictures. Why is it so close to me? I'm gonna show you a little fit check. All right. I'm gonna try this shoe, but yeah. It's a vibe all the time. I hate when these pants do this because they make me look bigger than what it is. Anyway. I need it to be like a baggy vibe. Whatever. I don't care. Ew, I actually don't like this. Changing.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas trip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. But you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But don't stutter till I you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But don't stutter till I fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, selling action. These days over my head, niggas be past 10. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunning till I get you can do what you wanna. Give me that bitch with my dick, yeah. Finna take heads off. Ain't my shit doing like this. How they got hit in the basement. Hit the bitch not the brain suck. Hit the bitch with the red. Give me that bitch with my dick, yeah. Finna take heads off. Finna take heads off. Like it's a new kid. Like it's a new swing. Like it's a new.
Yo, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one in that day is the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that day is the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's your time my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, hey. Yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. See what's about to happen. See what's about to happen.
Broke his hair, sleeping on the mattress. Feel like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells dropping out, they send me automatic. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VV's with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Red bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hundreds, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hundreds, I'm a mathematic. And this love make me wanna buy my daddy.
Good morning, y'all. It is Sunday, the last day of the weekend. Ooh. And today we're just doing some like light cleaning. So I'm just doing cleaning. My mother-in-law's coming over, so we're gonna have some family time. And that's about it. I'm gonna edit a couple videos. I'm gonna make a thumbnail. And that's about it, y'all. It's not too glamorous today. I thought I was gonna do something today. I'm not. Oh, I am gonna go run errands though. See, I'm gonna go run some errands a little bit later. Just get out the house, you know, spend some money for no reason. So I'll see you guys later.
Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. We spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh, he a fool with the shit. Told her, don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard of my deep stroke. She said, babe, does it hurt when I deep throat?
Hey y'all, we're about to go run some errands. My little outfit. I got the Lululemon flare pants, Amazon top, Amazon jacket, paired with a little Chanel-y, you know. So we're gonna run some errands. I need to go to Ulta, Target, and Kohl's. I need to get some shirts for my kids or some clothes for my kids for school tomorrow. And then I need to go to Ulta to get some more press-ons because I took these off. And I'm going to Target because my best friend is pregnant. My little twin, my little rider is pregnant. So we're going to go get her some little things, and put it in a basket because she's having her gender reveal on next Saturday. So I'm putting little things together for her. Just like mommy essentials, you know, I love spoiling my friends. So we're gonna go do that from Target and see what we can find. I already know a couple things that I want to get her, but we'll see what speaks to me when we get there. So let's go to the car.
Standing on business. Standing on business. Standing on business. Biggest the what?
I do whatever I want. I'm counting up money for fun.
You bitches really get carried away.
You out, slamming you out, slamming you out. Talking about it. So carried away. Fantasy getting married, very scary.
Thanks for Starbucks.
Hi, can I get a grande caramel macchiato with the pump of mocha? Ice too, my bad.
Grande ice caramel macchiato with a pump of mocha?
Yeah.
All right, anything else?
That's it.
All right, come on to the window. Thank you.
Thank you.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore?
We secured the bag. We went to Ulta, Kohl's, and Target. The only thing is I didn't get everything I wanted to get out of Target, so I'm gonna have to order on Amazon for my friend or whatever. But other than that, we did it, y'all. Secured the bag, sis. Secured the bag. Now let's go home and get my kids some dinner and get settled for the Sunday evening and get ready for Monday. All right, y'all, we are back and I want to show you guys what I got before we end this little spend the weekend with me. So we'll start with Ulta. It has to be real quick because I have no more storage on my camera and I need to get a new what's it called. So anyways, y'all see it back here or is it blurry? Hope so. Anyway, so I got a new head wrap for when I do my skincare, I do my makeup or whatever. I get these new clips Got these two colors. Very neutral, very cute. And then I've got some more press-ons. So I'm a press-on gal now, so thumbnail. Press-on gal now, so I had to get those. I got my son just a little Nike jacket. And then from Target, I got the cute little, so what I'm gonna put her stuff in, my friend's stuff in. It's just cute little, like, it could also use like a carrier or whatever. So that, I got her this stretch mark oil, like this oil for your body. Some pre-mates. And then for me, I got these cute little, like, just like little tank tops for working out or whatever. Like, they're like Lululemon dupes. So I got a green and I got this really pretty brown. And then some Carmex. And that's it. All right, y'all, that is it for the Spend the Weekend with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.